Hello guys, well here's my 1970 Boss 302 original paint. It's called bright gold metallic. Came factory with the sport wheels just like this. These are the correct hubcaps with the 15-inch by 7 steel rims underneath. It's obviously a shaker car. It's got all the original patina on it. It's all the original sheet metal except for, I believe, maybe the one little patch panel on the back of the, I think it was the passenger side down low. But otherwise, it's all original sheet metal and the mostly original paint on this car. The driveline's been fully restored, including the rebuilt original numbers matching Boss 302 block heads, all that business. New VIN matched 4-speed top loader, drive shafts original redone. The whole underneath of the car has been refurbished. Stainless steel gas tank, anything it needed underneath it got. And of course this is the trunk lid hold up. That's the original paint on there. As far as I know, I do have a plate for it. I believe it's registered in either California or Arizona. I have homes in both. This is it, a 70 Boss 302. Had the glass pulled and new trim put back on, or refurbished trim I should say. It's even got the original, some stickers here. This is I believe the original door panels. The seats have been redone, but in the correct color and such. And this is the rear. They've been redone also. As you can see, pretty nice. All of it's in top shape. New correct carpet, consoles original. Obviously the 4-speed top loader, T-handle Hertz. The dash is a reproduction dash. It's not original. And I believe the steering wheel is a reproduction, but to the correct spec. This is all original stuff up here. Patina, as you see. The doors work appropriately, roll up and down like they're supposed to. It's a dual mirror car, original mirror, original antenna. The wiper blades have been replaced. And I did have the cowl cover touched up. It was, for some reason, the paint was thinner on that or something. So this is it. I'm gonna give it a quick start up. I'll show you the engine. Shaker, of course. Starting from the front, all redone, as good as new. I call this my survivor driver. I left all the original paint and sheet metal, and I wanted to be able to drive this car and not worry about it so much out in the world, so to speak. But as far as the engine and engine compartments, all been redone, freshened up, rebuilt, got receipts for everything. Of course, power steering pump. This is a power steering car, which is really nice. Correct alternator, correct distributor, correct intake, correct carburetor. It's a Z. Correct, what do you call that, shaker and the air pan, hoses, all that business is all correct, date coded. We'll go in here and give it a quick start up. I just received it back from the restoration shop, and they seem to have done a really good job on this car. I think the odometer, I'm not sure what it says, 13,000. I know it's probably 113, but at this point it's been fully redone. So I don't know if that matters so much, but starts right up. I think that's not the original radiator. Radio. I don't think. I can't remember what the shop said. It's a tack car, of course. All the gauges work. New exhaust, new rebuilt drive shaft, new joints. Temperature, fuel gauge. I just filled it up with premium. Got the console here. Yeah, nice car, actually. The gold color, bright gold metallic, I think it's called. Interesting color with a ginger interior. Here we go. Purring. Runs really well. Revs like it's supposed to. Does everything it's supposed to do. Headlights, taillights all work. Trying to think if anything doesn't work on this car. I think the only thing that I need to do is possibly the turn signal unit. Doesn't seem, the flashers don't seem to stay on when you turn them. I think he mentioned that. Probably has the original one, or maybe it was that. I don't remember exactly, honestly. Yeah, see how the light's lit, but it's not blinking. He says it's the switch. I mean, it's the on column, the in column on. Yeah, I can see that now. As far as I know, that's the only thing that's not working. Everything else works. Drive straight. Had it aligned. The hole underneath of this car is like new, which I can show later to interested parties. I have photos of it completed anyway already, still photos. So there it is, a Boss 302 shaker, 1970. It's, I think, a 350 rear end. It zips right along. Any questions, give me a call, Kennedy. I'm in Mesa, California, which is kind of central San Diego. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks. Bye.